What's up everybody? Welcome back to Garage Gym Gainz. I'm Ricky and today we're going to be unboxing the Knockoff mag grips from Walmart. Alright, so as you can see there's not anything too exciting going on with the box here. Let's get into it. The Spyder Jimbo 2 doing the unboxing today. Great option if you guys are knife people. Alright, we don't have much in the box either. It's just each attachment and they're bubble wrapped. Okay. So normally on the actual mag grips they have, so these handles are symmetrical from side to side. It appears, I can't tell if the angle's off, it doesn't look like, it looks like they're symmetrical. Normally with the mag grips, the actual mag grips, there's a more flat side. On one end, that's where you kind of put your thumb. So that's different. The grommets feel not great. The little rings in the middle right here, but the attachment itself feels pretty good. It's grippy, so that's a plus. All right, this thing is a monster. I'm excited to give that a shot. I normally don't like doing any type of pull down or row that wide, but we'll give it a go. Same thing, symmetrical ends. Got 3 more in here. All right, more of the same. This one is very similar size to the first one that we unboxed. Yeah, that's not much of a difference at all, but the ones I'm excited for are the ones in here. Let's see how they look. Okay, so this is, if you can see that, this is the flat side that I was talking about that all the other mag grips have. These are huge. I'm really not sure why they're so big, but it feels like it's going to be pretty good. I'll test it out today and we'll find out. But that's one of the small ones, and the other small one I'd assume is the flipped version of that. Yes. So this one, you're going to be able to do an underhand grip. They don't feel quite as good as mag grips. They're just not quite as refined, but mag grips are going to be about $65 around there, plus whatever shipping is. If they charge shipping, I'm not confident on that, but they're going to be around $60 to $70 depending on the grip per grip. These were 5 of them for I think it was $140, maybe $147, somewhere around there shipped. So as you can see, they're pretty cheap. So we'll do a full review in the future. This was just an unboxing, but stay tuned for more garage gym related videos. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you later.